So today I'm going to be talking about Andrew Tate meme coins. If you haven't noticed, in the last few days, Andrew Tate has launched several meme coins. There are 3 official meme coins that I know of that Andrew Tate is behind these projects. And these 3 meme coins are the ones that I will be showing to you. And I will be just doing a commentary, my opinion, and insights about these meme coins. This is not financial advice. I am not encouraging people to invest in these meme coins, to buy into these meme coins. I want people to do their own research. I want people to do their own homework. And I'm just literally just showing you information. That's all I'm doing. So this first meme coin goes by the ticker RNT. I will not be spelling the name of this meme coin because this is not YouTube friendly. Let's just say it's not going to work on YouTube. And this meme coin was launched on the 7th of June. Today is 14, so basically like a week ago. This meme coin has a liquidity below 2 million and around 22,000 holders. You can already see that this meme coin is not looking good. Lower lows continue to be dropping even lower. Way more red candles than green ones. For a celebrity so-called as Andrew Tate, I was expecting a lot more volatility, a lot more holders, because isn't he like supposed to be a multimillionaire or something? He's always bragging about his money. Now I don't know and I don't care if he's actually that wealthy, but I mean, I've seen projects like random projects with way more liquidity and way less holders. And despite having way less holders, they are a lot more popular. There's a lot more volume. This is not looking good, in my opinion. You can already see. I mean, I don't even have to show advanced statistics. You can literally just see this chart, which is a daily chart, and you can clearly see the big picture. And the big picture is that almost all of the people that have invested in this coin have lost their money. And the fact that Andrew Tate has launched 3 different meme coins, if not more, shows that he doesn't really care about these projects at all. I mean, he just wants engagement. I don't know. I don't know what he wants. People have rumors that he's actually having financial troubles because he's having a trial for something and he desperately needs some money. It could be the reason. I am not sure. I am not confirming any of that because, like I said, so far those are just rumors. So I don't have anything official on this, but it does seem fishy that he has already launched 3 different projects. He could even launch more in the coming weeks. And so far these projects look like absolute garbage. I mean, it's just what it is. This is garbage. Now the next ticker that I will be showing to you is Top G. Again, this is another meme coin by Andrew Tate. You can see that this coin is even worse than the other one that I just showed you. This is also on a daily chart. You can see a massive red candle, falling knife. This goes full stack down. I mean, look at this. This literally engulfs all the other green candles, green ticks, all of them. I mean, this is terrible. We have not even 1 million liquidity, so even less liquidity than the other coin, even less holders, like around half of the holders of the other coin. Again, this is also a coin launched officially by Andrew Tate. I've seen him shield this. So this is for real, officially Andrew Tate's work. And it's looking even worse than the other one. Again, this is supposed to be a multimillionaire celebrity with lots of cult followers and all that, and the coin is just not showing any of that. The coin is basically showing just garbage. There are projects launched like randomly every single day, and they have way more liquidity than this. Way more. This is pathetic for a Andrew Tate meme coin. Quite pathetic. Again, this is Top G. All goes by the ticker Top G. Absolute garbage. I will never invest in any of this coin or the other one that I just showed you. And the final coin that I will be showing to you and bringing to the table is Daddy Tate. This is the most recent coin by Andrew Tate. This was launched some days ago. Again, this is also a daily chart. It was launched on the 9th of June. We are seeing more liquidity than the other ones. We are seeing almost halfway to 3 million liquidity. Holders around the same as the first one that I showed you, a little bit more. And you can see the chart. It already looks way different than the other coins. This paints a whole different picture. We can see that there's massive green candles trying to go even higher. This is a very healthy looking chart. I'm not really digging these current movements. We're looking at the coin is having some trouble. It's struggling with keeping above and breaking even the all-time high. So there's that, but so far, and you can see clearly that this coin, unlike the others that have made people lose their money, this actually has made people money. It just shows. You don't have to be a genius to find out. This is the only coin that Andrew Tate officially endorses out of the three that I just showed you that actually looks decent. The only coin that I will actually invest in. But I don't know. Look at this. Assuming that you were to invest right around these days, in the first hour, something like that, and you were to sell the coin around the all-time high, this is like a 10x. A little bit more, a little bit less. It all depends on what day and what hour do you choose to invest this. And don't get me wrong, a 10x is pretty decent money, but there's way more. I mean, I have made way more than a 10x in just like random coins. Most of the other coins that I just showed you in my channel, like Gooby, like Egg, like the Chinese meme coins, they have made me way more than 10x. And those coins were not endorsed by celebrities with massive followings like Andrew Tate. Those coins were launched like randomly, not pre-selling, not any of that scammy stuff, just straight up casino Solana, and way more money than a 10x. I mean, this is Andrew Tate. This is supposed to be a guy that can influence millions of young people, especially young people, that he got into crypto. He's friends with a lot of people that got into crypto also. And it's just not showing all that popularity, all that potential. This is something that is lacking in all of these meme coins, even though this is the only one that actually looks decent and actually has made more money. So anyways, I have to leave it with this. I don't want to make this video any longer. Again, this is not financial advice. You do your own research, and I'm just showing you information. So far, what's my final conclusion to this will be is that basically Andrew Tate is a massive disappointment in meme coins. Really a massive disappointment. I was expecting a lot more from this guy. Anyways, like and subscribe, comment when you think of this, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Take care.